Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're going to talk a little bit about low porosity hair and 3 reasons why your hair always seems to be very dry or just doesn't feel moisturized. First things first, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give your girl a thumbs up by clicking that thumbs up button right below my name. And of course, if you want to watch any of my other videos, go ahead, turn on your post notifications, and of course, go check out my channel. All right, so 3 reasons why your low porosity hair just doesn't feel moisturized. Number 1, and we're going to start with probably one of the most noticeable. A lot of you don't even know that you're low porosity. A lot of you are just going off of information or bad information that you're getting from other people, or you're really not even paying attention to your hair and you haven't done an actual porosity test to see what your actual porosity is. Some of you are going off of the interpretation that your hair is just dehydrated. Some of you are thinking that it's genetics. Some of you are thinking that it's something that you're not using, and you're buying product, and really just playing Russian roulette with products. So what I definitely recommend is to, number 1, go ahead and do a porosity test. If you don't know how to do a porosity test, don't you worry. We actually have a video guide on our website at elitehaircareusa.com that's called What's My Porosity? That particular video guide is going to give you 5 different porosity tests that you can choose from to help you navigate to understand what your porosity is and really and truly what the results mean when you do your porosity test. So go and check that guide out. Number 2, so we're moving on from the fact that you don't know that you're low porosity. Okay, so we're going to now move into the fact that now you know that you're low porosity and you know that your hair has certain requirements. Well, number 2, one of the biggest things that we always forget with low porosity hair is that low porosity hair does not like a ton of product. Now, I want you to put a 1 in the chat and I want you to be honest. If you are one of those people where you are constantly adding oils and leave-in conditioners to your hair on a daily basis with the notion that I am moisturizing and hydrating my hair. And if that's you, go ahead, put a 1 in the chat or say, that's me. I use a lot of oils and I use a lot of leave-ins or other products to moisturize my hair on a daily basis. Well, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Come close. Low porosity hair does not like a ton of products. Low porosity hair is like the shingles on a brand new roof. And I say this all the time, you guys. Low porosity hair is like the shingles on a brand new roof. It is so ironclad that nothing is going to penetrate. No water, no snow, no ice, no hail, no sun, no nothing. Okay, so low porosity hair is so closed up that nothing will literally penetrate until you use the power of heat. So low porosity hair is one of those things where, like I said, it doesn't like excessive product. So if you're one of those people where every single day you're spraying on leave-in conditioner, every single day you're using coconut oil, jojoba oil, an oil mixture that you made, you're using Hydra Strength leave-in spray, you're putting on curl creams, you're putting on curl putties, you're putting on custards, you're doing all these things to your hair every single day with the notion that you are trying to hydrate or moisturize your hair when you're really doing it in vain. Low porosity hair gets the most moisture and hydration during your wash day. This is why I am so adamant on telling you guys how important having a good wash day is and following through with the steps that are required for your low porosity hair on wash day, because your wash day is going to be the determining factor in how your hair reacts after the fact. It's also going to be one of the things that helps you to manage your hair through your next wash day. So a little sidebar before I get to number 3. Low porosity hair is one of those things where it is a constant battle. So I want you to get out of your head that I'm fixing my hair. There is no fix to the fact that you're low porosity. This is a lifestyle. This is what your hair is. This is what you got. Now, who's to say that your porosity can't change today or tomorrow? It can. But this is a lifestyle, okay? This is something that you are going to be working with on a constant basis. And it requires you to do this on a constant basis because that is just how low porosity hair is. It is always lacking in moisture. Now, if we were to put you on the opposite end and say that you were high porosity, you're always lacking in strength. So there's not really a win here. If you're medium porosity, you're lacking both strength and moisture. So this is to tell you that your hair is always going to need something. There's never going to be a time when your hair is going to be perfect. I want you guys to also get out of your mind that having the term, I have healthy hair. Healthy hair is only as healthy as you make it. Okay? Healthy hair is really defined as an equal balance of moisture and strength. Will you ever have a full balance? No. So get out of the mindset that you want to get healthy hair. And all you need to be in the mindset is that you are maintaining your hair. Your hair is giving you what you are asking it to give you. You're working with it and being consistent, and you're following through with what your hair needs at that time. Okay? So that was just a little sidebar for those of you that really are just like, oh my gosh, I want a healthy head of hair. My hair is not healthy because it's low porosity. That means nothing. That's nothing, okay? You can continue to strive to have a healthy head of hair by literally just following through, being consistent, following your girl's tips, tricks, and pro tips too, and making sure that you understand what your hair porosity is requiring and what your hair needs at that very moment from you. So reason number 3, why your low porosity hair always feels unhydrated, dry, or dehydrated is really the better word. You are not using heat when it's recommended. So many of you have this false conception of what heat does to the hair. And while heat can be used in 2 different ways, number 1, to dry the hair, but also number 2, to open the cuticle. When you have low porosity hair and you are in the middle of your wash day, your actual wash day requires heat for your conditioner to actually work. And a lot of you don't know that your hair is requiring a hooded dryer or a hair steamer to help introduce any of these good moisturizers and hydrating products or humectants to the hair. So whenever you're using your Elite Hair Care products, whether it be our B7 mask, our Mended Hair Mask, our Moist Repair Conditioner, our 24 Karat Deep Conditioner, which is our Moist Me 24 Karat Deep Conditioner, our Hair Repair Conditioner, any one of our conditioners that you are using for your hair care, if you are low porosity, every single wash day is going to require one or the other, which is a hooded dryer with a processing cap or a hair steamer without a cap. So keep in mind that there's never going to be a wash day that you can do what we call an instant condition. I don't recommend instant conditionings on low porosity hair because it's not actually penetrating the cuticle. It's not actually getting into the actual cuticle and nourishing the hair. You are literally doing this work in vain because low porosity hair needs heat. It needs heat. It needs heat. But when we're talking about heat, we're talking about good heat. Not heat that's going to be heat damaging or it's going to change your curl pattern. We're talking about heat to open the cuticle to introduce that conditioner or that moisturizer or whatever it is the product that you're using for your conditioner that day. So don't ever skip utilizing that hooded dryer or that hair steamer. And I also recommend vice versa. So sometimes you'll do the steam treatment, other times you'll do the hooded dryer. I don't recommend both on your wash day at the same time. It's really not required. You definitely want to choose one or the other, and you want to alternate your treatments. So this wash day, you might do the Mended, which is our split in and frizz control treatment. The next wash day, you might do the Moist Me 24 Karat Mask. The next wash day, you might be B7 mask made as a cocktail with the 24 Karat Mask, which is our Moist Me 24 Karat Mask. You can mix them together. The great thing about Elite Hair Care products is they can be cocktailed. So you can cocktail these products to work for you where you can kill 2 birds or 3 birds with 1 stone and still condition the hair. Now, I know those tips are actually not all. There's so much more information about low porosity hair and how to really care for it. So what I recommend is you guys going to check out our new video guide, which is how to care for your low porosity hair or low porosity hair care video guide. Where in this guide, it's a video guide that is going to go from start to finish talking about the anatomy of your hair. It's going to talk about tips and tricks to help you with your low porosity hair, hair care regimens, all of these good things, a bunch of information on how to really care for your low porosity hair, all in one big video guide. So if you go to our website, elitehaircareusa.com, grab the video guide and utilize that to really train you on how to work with your low porosity hair and how to be successful on your wash day so that going forward, you're not trying to figure out or play Russian roulette with products. You stop wasting a ton of money and you start understanding what your hair really needs and when it really needs it. So to get that video guide, I will put a link down in the description box and you can grab that. Another good thing is we are having our back to school sale right now. So today, for those of you that don't know, today is August the 4th, 2023. The back to school sale ends this coming Monday, so you have about 3 to 4 days. And you can save 30% off any one of our Elite Hair Care products that you might have heard me mention in the video. Or you can also save 30% off the hair care video guides. So you'll be able to utilize those guides to help you to really understand your hair, how to care for it, and what it needs. All from your girl. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to go check out our website. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to comment down below and tell me if you're one of those people who uses a lot of leave-in conditioner and oils in hopes that you're moisturizing your hair. I'll see everybody later. Peace.